Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Belo Horizonte. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions, at your own pace, for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome. Let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. A full 9-hour day. Another tour is City Center Highlights. A short day exploring, as this will only take 4 hours. The next day plan is Modern Art and Architecture. Not so long, we recommend 5 hours for this tour. Let's look at if you only have a day. A busy day spent exploring must-see attractions, including Praça da Liberdade, Centro Cultural Banco do Brasil Belo Horizonte, and Parque Municipal Américo René Genetti. Main city square and popular green space, surrounded by museums and historic buildings. Move on to Centro Cultural Banco do Brasil Belo Horizonte. Cultural hub in a grand 1920s building featuring art exhibitions, films, plays, a cafe and a bookshop. Then on to Parque Municipal Américo René Genetti. Historic park with a tropical feel offering lakes with boat rentals and other recreational facilities. Then on to Praça de Setembro. Praça de Setembro, normally called Praça Set, is a square inside Belo Horizonte, Minas Gerais, Brazil, in the center of the city's downtown. Move on to Parque Guanabara. Roller coaster and park. Then on to Church of St. Francis of Assisi. Consecrated in 1959, this unique modern Catholic chapel was designed by Oscar Niemeyer. Next to Casa do Baile. Designed by architect Oscar Niemeyer, this building on a man-made island hosts temporary exhibits. Let's look at City Center Highlights. A day exploring museums, historic buildings and green space in the city center. Main city square and popular green space, surrounded by museums and historic buildings. And then Museu das Minas e do Metal. Modern, immersive mining museum featuring a replica mine and many samples of regional metals and gems. And then Memorial Minas Gerais Vale. Museum with interactive exhibits about the mining history and culture of the state of Minas Gerais. Move on to Centro Cultural Banco do Brasil Belo Horizonte. Cultural hub in a grand 1920s building featuring art exhibitions, films, plays, a cafe and a bookshop. Move on to Central Market of Belo Horizonte. Lively indoor market featuring food, crafts and souvenir vendors, plus informal bars and restaurants. Then on to Palacio das Artes. Modern performing arts complex hosting a range of productions, including opera, theater and concerts. Move on to Arts and Crafts Museum. Arts and Crafts Museum in a railway depot displaying artifacts and historic tools from Minas Gerais. Let's look at Modern Art and Architecture. A day visiting Pampulha's modern landmarks, Mineirão Stadium and a huge, open-air art museum. Consecrated in 1959, this unique modern Catholic chapel was designed by Oscar Niemeyer. Then moved to Pampulha Art Museum. Museum of Brazilian Art, best known for its gardens and modernist architecture by Oscar Niemeyer. And then Mineirão. Giant stadium built in 1965, featuring football games plus a museum and dining options. Move on to Inhotim. Expansive outdoor museum with large-scale contemporary artworks and verdant tropical landscaping. The most popular travel time in Belo Horizonte is July. The temperature ranges from 25 to 13 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Carnival is in February and March. Arraial de Belo is in June and July. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and for more help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.